How do I factory reset my Raycon earbuds?
Hello, and welcome to this tutorial. Today, we're going to learn how to factory reset your Raycon earbuds. Factory resetting can be a handy solution when your earbuds aren't functioning as expected or if you're planning to pair them with a new device.
Why should I factory reset my earbuds?
Factory resetting your earbuds can be useful for several reasons. Firstly, if you're experiencing any connectivity issues or if your earbuds are not functioning properly, a factory reset can often resolve these problems. Secondly, if you want to connect your earbuds to a new device, resetting them ensures they're not still trying to connect to previous devices.
Preparing to reset.
Before we dive into the resetting process, make sure your earbuds are fully charged. This ensures that they won't run out of power during the reset process. Also, disconnect the earbuds from any devices they're currently paired with, like your smartphone or computer.
The factory reset process.
Here is the step-by-step process to factory reset your Raycon earbuds. 1. Turn off your earbuds. Press and hold the multifunction button on both earbuds for about 5 seconds. The LED indicators will turn red briefly, and the earbuds will power off. 2. Reset your earbuds. With your earbuds turned off, press and hold the multifunction button for around 20 to 25 seconds. You will notice the LED indicators flashing multiple colors. 3. Confirm reset. After about 20 to 25 seconds, the LED indicators on both earbuds will flash red 3 times. This indicates that the factory reset was successful. 4. Power on your earbuds. To turn your earbuds back on, press and hold the multifunction button for 5 seconds. The earbuds will automatically enter the pairing mode. And that's it. That's how you factory reset your Raycon earbuds. Following these steps should solve any connection issues and allow you to pair your earbuds with a new device. Remember, if you continue to experience problems after a factory reset, it may be time to contact Raycon support or consult your warranty. We hope this tutorial has been helpful, and thank you for watching.